Good day. My name is Ojibunesimo.
I am Uja Princess from CAC Church Secondary School, Makodi, Benue State, Nigeria.
And we are
Team Bionet.
The basic necessities of human life are food, clothing, and shelter. Of these three, food is the basic necessity that is more important than the other two. Approximately 7.9 billion people living on Mother Earth cook daily 2 times a day to sustain life. To cook, people use different fuels as per necessity and availability. Some of these fuels are economical and environmentally friendly, while others are not. Around 3 billion people still cook using solid fuels such as wood, crop waste, charcoal, coal, and kerosene in open fires and inefficient stoves. These cooking practices are inefficient and use fuels and technology that produces a high level of household air pollution with a range of health-damaging pollutants.
3.8 million people a year die prematurely from illnesses attributable to the household air pollution caused by the inefficient use of solid fuels for cooking. Poor families in Nigeria spend a large proportion of their incomes on buying wood and other cooking fuels. Clean alternatives of cooking fuels are very expensive.
Bionet is an initiative that is focused on generating clean and affordable energy, creating additional income opportunities for farmers, creating jobs, and protecting the environment. Our innovation addresses the energy crisis, which has been a great cause of global warming, using our unique modular system, the Flexi Digester. Flexi Digester is a set of low-cost bio-waste processing equipment designed for household, mostly smallholder farmers, to efficiently generate clean energy for cooking, lighting, and income from bio-waste, a byproduct of agricultural production and household waste. This is the biodigester. The bio-waste is put into this Flexi Digester, and in a few days, the gas is produced here and is channeled through this pipe. When during cooking, heat is being produced. So when this heat is being produced, the thermoelectric generator converts the heat produced into electric energy that is used to charge the lamp to be used. Okay, this is a quick demo of our system when cooking. Since we are outdoors, the flames are not going to be that clear to the eye. So, but this is how it works. It's producing heat. This heat now, this thermoelectric generator is converting this heat into electricity that we use in charging a lamp, which can be used later, probably in the night, for reading and also for SMEs to power their enterprises. So this is the demo of it.
The current processing technologies are thermal, mechanical, or biological. This process involves breaking down waste through fermentation, typically requiring concrete fixed dome digesters, which are neither mobile nor designed to digest matter other than manure and takes very long time for fermentation to occur. Gas burners used for cooking alone. Flexi Digester decomposer gel speeds up fermentation up to 60% faster. It is a constituent of microorganisms extracted from cow dung through innovative laboratory preparation. Bionet's decomposer gel and Flexi Digester are both innovatively designed to ferment household bio-waste and agricultural post-harvest byproducts within 5 days for cooking gas production and fertilizer and electricity generation. Our dream of transformation is summarized in 3 E's. First, we will educate people about the different health issues, financial loss, and environmental harm, their current state of practice, and its results on them and the environment. Through our marketing campaigns and regular social events, we will encourage households and farmers together and build a community surrounding Bionet. We will empower farming communities with better yield and higher savings, and common people with all-time access to clean energy.
In the picture here, we are teaching people the usage of Flexi Digester during our pilot phase, currently ongoing in Sekave village in Makurdi, Benue State, Nigeria. We are currently serving 5 households, which roughly translates to 15 people, and 82% of them have expressed satisfaction in using Bionet for its convenience and cost effectiveness.
Our SWOT analysis is thus: our strengths. Bionet is currently the first commercial producers of mobile biodigesters in Benue State, so we stand to enjoy first mover advantage. Our weakness: we are representing a new form of market and products in Benue State, and our major weakness is lack of access to research and development. Threats: currently, Bionet estimates that a shift in political activities or policies may hamper our supply chain. Opportunities: Bionet stands to gain numerous opportunities with over 90% acceptance from our customers, the people, and the government. Our pricing model: with our unique and competitive pricing model, we produce our Flexi Digester, Biogel, and Smart Burners at $12.3 per unit, and will sell at $16.84 per unit, against fixed dome digesters that currently cost over $72.16 per construction.
Our scaling strategy: we plan to set up one manufacturing space as our head office and then scale by renting outlets to cover a large market area in Benue State. Acquiring large market areas will lead to easy availability of resources. With the acquisition of a market in a state, our next step will be to set up outlets in other states of Nigeria. After that, our target will be to establish ourselves in other countries in West Africa. Our Flexi Digester validity period is 5 years, but to log in our customers and keep generating revenue from them, our Biogel has a usage period of 30 days and a replacement is required. Our partners: for sustainability, growth, and to scale, Bionet is currently partnered with 3 organizations. 1. Curiosity Planet Africa for product development, business development, and marketing. 2. Joseph Sawan Taka University, an educational institute for research and development. And finally, ISNAD-Africa for mentorship and finance. Our revenue model: Year 1. Since it will be our startup year, we assume that we are likely to produce an average of 500 units per day. Price at $16.81, giving us a revenue of $8,407.37. Year 4. We will maintain the maximum output of 4,000 units per day, but the price will increase by 15%, appreciating the time value of money and future expansion plans. Price still would now be at $22.24, revenue of $77,350.71. Year 5. We will maintain the Year 4 capacity with a revenue of $77,350.71. Our innovation is addressing 6 SDGs: Goal 3, Goal 7, Goal 8, Goal 11, Goal 12, and Goal 17.
Our revenue streams: 1. Flexi Digester, 2. Biogel, 3. Smart Gas Burner, and 4. Lamp. This innovation is creating a value-added product for those trapped in the cycle of poverty. Students and women can now have an extended time of productivity during the night by reading, using our lamps and powering their small and medium-scale enterprises at night. We estimate an impact of 3,000 direct jobs and 1,500 plus indirect employments. Our impact newsflash in 2030. Bionet, a student-led renewable energy social enterprise, has reached 40 million African homes with cheap alternatives of cooking fuel generation technology.